Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wonton. First, you need just a pound of meat, basically just any meat. For the practice of this video, I'm pretty sure this is beef, but I'm not sure because I don't know how to tell them apart. Okay, after that, you need to get scallions or green onions, and basically just get 2 rounds of those, and then just swipe that in. Chop it up and swipe that into the bowl. You need a bowl, by the way, obviously, because we do have that. Alright, now after that you have a ginger, and what you want to do with that ginger is you just want to skin that one. Skin it all the way off. Okay, so after that you just want to get that in with the grater. You just want to grate that ginger in to your bowl. Just 1 piece of ginger, and that's just going to help out with the flavor. I mean, obviously all of the things that we're putting in the bowl is for flavor, but yep, this is just actually I think it's more of a personal preference. Sometimes you don't have to put the ginger in, I mean, if you don't want to put it in, but I recommend you put it in. But that's just how we do it here. Okay, next what you want to do, you just want to get a water chestnut, and you just want to chop that up and put it in the bowl. And after that, you want to get soy sauce, and we're putting in, I'm pretty sure we're putting in 4 tablespoons. Here we go, 3 tablespoons. So we put 3 tablespoons, no, we put 4 actually. We put 4 tablespoons inside of the mixing bowl. And then after that, we have 2 basically 2.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Alright, now take out your sugar because now we're putting 2 tablespoons in there. And here we go. So now here is how to make the item. So first you want to put it right in the middle, and then fold it about halfway. Now you just want to put water at the ends of those tips, squeeze them together, and that will kind of act as glue, that water, and that will safely kind of just put that in there, and that will make a nice little shape. Okay, so now here's a close-up. Again, press it down, fold it halfway, press it down, get your water, and squeeze it together. Really straightforward process. It might be a little bit hard at first, but then after a while you will get used to it, and it will get a lot easier. And yeah, so alright, so now that you know how to make that, I'm gonna show you my first attempt in a long time of trying to make it, and I was quickly shunted. Like this.
No.
Okay, so basically, there we go, slow version, just to show you how to do it. Put it on the little frying pan, and here, let me show you how to actually fry it. Talking about frying, by the way. So, what you want to do, you want to get your little fryer out, and you want to put your wontons in to a little water here, and you just want to put them all in until they are golden all the way around. And as you can see, these wontons start frying very fast, and as you can see, the bottom parts are already golden, which is good. And next, basically you just turn them around. It doesn't hurt, I mean, I don't think so. We usually use chopsticks, as you can see there, and you just want to turn them around. Make sure all of the sides are golden, and that will make for some really nice food there. And this is the final version. And yeah, I hope you learned something about how to make a wonton. And yeah, that's how you make a wonton.